Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all my brothers and sisters. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul uqtatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khayr wa bika nasta'in ya fattah. Rabbi zidni ilma. Okay, so my brothers and sisters, yesterday we did Tanween. The lesson was about Tanween, two Fatha, two Kasra, two Zamma, Fathatain, Kasratain, and Zammatain. Today I'll be telling you about the Noon Sakin, Noon Silent. Noon Sakin is that Noon which has a Jazm on it, okay? It has a Jazm. See this kind of like, this symbol, this is called Jazm, silent. This makes the letter silent. Whenever this symbol comes on the letter, it makes the word silent, the letter silent. Then we need help from the back of the word. So we cannot read this word if it has a jazm on it. We cannot read this word with itself. We need help from the other word. So whenever there is a noon sakin, noon silent, we need help from the back of the word to read that word. And there's another thing in this, that noon sakin, noon silent, and tanween has the same sound. They have the same sound, okay? They sound the same. Ta fathatain alif tan, ta fatha noon tan. See, it's the same. Ta kasratain tin, ta kasra noon tin. See, it has the same sound. So there's no difference between the sounds of tanween and noon silent, means noon sakin. And there's just this main thing I need to tell you, so everybody keeps in mind that the sound of tanween and the sound of noon silent has the same sound. Ta zammatain tun, ta zamma, ta zamma noon tun, sa فتحتين سن، سا فتح نون ثن، ثا كسرتين ثن، سا كسر نون ثن، ثا ضمتين ثن، ثا ذم نون ثن، جيم فتحتين جن، جيم فتح نون جن، جيم كسرتين جن، جيم كسر نون جن، جيم ذمتين جن، جيم ذم نون جن، دال فتحتين دن، دال فتح نون دن، دال كسرتين دن، دال كسر نون دن، دال ضمتين دن، دال ضم نون دن. See, it's the same. So just keep this in mind. Tanween and noon silent has the same sound. Let's just practice exercise. Ain fatha alif a, dal fathatain dan, عادا عادا, سين فتحة واو سو, همزة كسرتين إن, سو إن سو إن, قاف فتحة قا, را كسرة يا ري, با ضمتين بن, قريب قريب, فا فتحة فا, ميم فتحة نون من, فمن فمن, عين فتحة ع, ظا فتح ظا كسرة يا ظي, عظي, ميم ضمتين زن, ميم ضمتين من, عظيم عظيم, كاف ضم نون كن, ميم فتحة ما, را فتحة را, ما را, ضاد ضمتين ظن, مرض, را فتح را سين ضم واو سو رسو لام ضمتين لن رسول. Okay, so just practice the exercise and keep this in mind that Tanween and Noon silent has the same sound. Inshallah, I will be meeting you in the next class. Till then, Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.